In our lab, we study how plant species are responding to climate change. So in the northern hemisphere, as the climate is getting warmer in the summers and growing seasons are getting longer, we expect that plants are going to shift their distribution northward. Well, one of the things that we've really noticed is that not all plants are responding to climate change like we would expect. A lot of them are being slowed down by things like herbivory, so animals eating them, or different kinds of soil conditions where we expect them to be moving. So what we're hoping to learn is to figure out which species are going to respond like we expect and which ones are having different responses. Understanding where species will be distributed in the future is really important for understanding how to manage ecosystems and how to plan for the future. So where will the resources that we need be distributed in the future? Where will culturally important species be using the landscape? And how will the makeup of the forests and different natural areas affect future climate change? I love being out in nature, in the forest especially, and as I started to get into forest research and biogeography and geography research, I started to do graduate studies. In one of the big experiments that I did as a postdoc researcher, we went out one spring to make our measurements of the plants we had planted, and every single plant had been eaten. And this seemed like a huge catastrophe for my research career, for the project itself, and then we realized that we had observed one of these big unexpected outcomes of climate change, that herbivory from another species was slowing down the response of a tree to climate change. So that sparked this interest in those unexpected responses to climate change that I've continued on.